Welcome, humanoids. Today we are leveling or try to level somewhat the PZH 3000. We have gotten the last tanks of rank 4. We have gotten the Zerstörer, the Panther F, and the M109. So, onwards to 5, where we are missing PZH and the Lucas. I think that is all. If I'm, yes, that's all. So, yeah, let's go. Oh my god, see some ants. Oh, that one. Just have to do some stuff here. Yes. And I'm ready. We are starting out with the Panther F. And we're going to A, or we're going to follow our little green buddy. Oh, he's in that one. Excellent. So when the Panther is fully leveled, as in components fully leveled, we're going to take the first rank 5, I think. Come on. Yes. Yes, yes. Yes, I like it. He's my green man also wants short games. Yes. What's that? It was what the hell is that? I don't know. Like that. Some kind of rocket man? Of course I should hit that bloody thingy.
Thank you very much.
Oh my god. And my plan is destroyed. Perhaps I can take this one. This BT. Oh my god, I hit something else. Oh. Well, cheers for short games. Well, yeah. And to the good news today, I actually started on my tech video. My green man's out again. What does he... Look at that! What the hell? He's already dead. She is not. I can't see anything yet. Why there's nobody. Oh my god. He was just like, oh, yeah, there's a lot of people there. Okay. Then this is zerstöra. Ah. Oh, hello, yellow. So yeah, we'll just continue. Look at that. Look at that loss. It's excellent loss. Beautiful loss. He has just been standing there. Okay. Yeah. It's like go away. Just go away. God damn it. Oh my god. Okay. First I do. It was the first game, so yeah, I was my fingers were cold and. Yes, I killed plenty of stuff in AA. Light tanks are breeze. If you get them from the side. Yes. Your question was answered. Yeah, don't. Thou shalt not judge. Just need to get into the motion of the game. It's like warm up. Okay, let's see. Please stop the 77773. Yeah. Excellent. I'm just gonna choose which road we should die on. And I got full complement of guns and ammo on this one. I can see that I need to change. I tripped on the sidewalk. Yeah, I noticed that it's very powerful. Only played it for a couple of games. Got it late last night. And I made some really good long range shots with it already, as a sniping. God damn it! Tripped. We need to bypass from the side, and we got people from the side. Oh, and somebody wants to outflank us. Okay. Is he coming? Where is he coming? Can people see me here? Yeah. Jesus, man. There he is. Hey. Yeah. Yeah, I guess he saw me as well. But in between that little... that's a good spot, it seems. That I should remember. Right here. apparently you can then see this way. Yeah, excellent. So let's play.
Enemy forces have captured a zone.
Let's play what? Let's take the M09. Reduce it a bit. Let's see. Yeah, one glorious day I will hit something, definitely. If I try and try and try again, I will succeed. It's statistics. Can I see him if I go on top of here? Yeah, god damn it. Come on.
Wir wurden getroffen.
Vorsicht! Luftangriff!
Getriebe ausgefallen.
Come on, can't I, please.
Wir wurden getroffen.
God damn it. No, I just stopped playing for today. That's it. Yeah. Can you save me from there? That's the, okay, that's why. Oh my god. Less ammo won't help me. Okay. What? We must have. We must. Oh yeah, by the way, this one, the PF version, I read about it now, and there's something that really sucks up. M107 PF, that ammo. Well, thank God the team is good.
Thank you very much!
Where have you gotten your tank drivers? Tank driving license. Yeah, of course he's pointing at me, the bugger. Oh Jesus!
Entfernung 400 Meter. Wir wurden getroffen.
Ah! Mama? Mama, they hurt me a little bit. Okay, good anti-air. Jesus, man, huh? Where should I go? He's like behind us. And I can. Oh, I'm here. Yes. Thank you bloody much. Yeah, that was a miracle that I survived the initial blasting. Well, they must have hit some bad spots because I was like shot like 3 or 4 times. And we, okay. Oh, come on, let's do this. Otherwise, it's gonna be a long 75k, right? It's like gonna be like 75 games. Jeez, I hate this one as well. So, what am I going to do? I hope I can go for. Oh, I don't know. Let's see what the others are going to do.
Aufsitzen! Und bereit machen für Feindkontakt!
Ja, machen Sie bereit. Kraftfahrer bereit. Richtschütze bereit. Ladeschütze bereit.
Yeah. Aircraft. I know it because I saw that they were like targeting me, control Xing me like mad. Well, doesn't matter. It's okay. I'm having fun. That's the most important part. Otherwise, I'm getting a little bit on the radar, under the weather. I mean, due to slight cold. Okay. He got murdered. We can. Oh, where was he at? What the hell? ES6. Yeah. Reconnaissance. Okay, so then what? The hell are you at?
Liga-Alarm!
Flieger, 4 Uhr. Entfernung 1300 Meter.
Ziel beschädigt!
At least it was a assist. Yeah, okay. I know what you mean. Sometimes it feels like work, but you know.
Tiger, 10 Uhr. Entfernung 1200 Meter.
Just a scratch will give me points.
Panzer,
Come on.
9 Uhr. Entfernung 1100 Meter. Tiger, 10 Uhr. Entfernung 1200 Meter. Panzer, 9 Uhr. Entfernung 1100
Okay, here's some.
Meter. Tiger,
This
10
one.
Uhr. Entfernung 1100 Meter. Flieger, 4 Uhr.
Okay, this one. Oh my god.
Liga hoch!
Come. God damn it, man. Leading too much, leading too little, I don't know. Insane. He's more safe the closer he is to me.
Ziel zerstört!
Thank you.
Kraftfahrer, vorwärts, fahr!
Verstanden!
Panzer, 9 Uhr. Entfernung
That I think is the high explosive one. Oh, incendiary. I guess.
Vorsicht, Luftangriff!
Oh my god, not again.
Getroffen!
You bastard.
Enemy forces have captured a zone. Allied forces have captured a
Yes, I know. But it looks like, you know, if you catch my reasoning, is because I'm
Auf den Weg. The enemy has
oh,
captured
probably
most of
like
the
it was just how to say, trying to procrastinate, deviate.
2 Uhr. Entfernung 1800 Meter. T34. 2 Uhr. Entfernung
Yeah.
800 Meter.
No need to train.
Panzer 12 Uhr. Entfernung 400 Meter. Sprenggranate geladen. Panzer 3 Uhr. Entfernung 850 Meter.
Stupid me. I should have some please. Oh. Can we see him? Where is the bastard? Bastard. Huh?
Panzer 2 Uhr. Entfernung 600 Meter. Wir wurden getroffen.
Okay, I got this.
Getriebe beschädigt.
Come on, kill him. Did he get him? No. Oh, yeah. Oh my god, I quit. I quit now. That's it. Oh my god, that's so lousy. Oh my god. This is not a good day. Definitely not a good day. What am I at actually? 74k. Oh, I don't feel like leveling these, but you know. Just buy that. I got the horizontal drive. What I need is speed. God damn, man. That was not even more coffee will help. $155, you mean? Yeah. 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 Shameful.
Aufsitzen! Los, los, los!
But, you know, 155 millimeter could be quite effective if one hits. But I'm not going into close quarters with this one. Let's try to hit that wall. And getting sniped. So. Let's wait until the dawn is ready. Stand there, the Okay. Someone's down here.
Panzer! 10 Uhr! Entfernung 350 Meter!
I would call it success if I manage to live for more than like a couple of minutes. That's I don't have high expectations of myself. God damn it. Okay, there. Let's see if I can get like cross.
Panzer! 8 Uhr! Entfernung 650 Meter!
Attention to the designated grid zone. The enemy is winning.
Tiger! 10 Uhr! Entfernung 500 Meter!
The enemy is controlling most of the zones.
God damn it. He has faster reload. But he can move. I hear it definitely waiting for me, yeah?
Panzer! 10 Uhr! Entfernung
Thank you.
450 Meter!
Huh?
Panzer! 10 Uhr! Entfernung 450 Meter!
Attack the seaport.
Now I got the yard. God damn it. Come on. Okay. I run across. Come.
Granate geladen! Panzer! 10
Oh my god.
Entfernung 500 Meter!
Grid zone.
Jesus. Right across is like
Most of the
not
zones
into
are
the
under
goddamn stone.
Sprenggranate geladen!
My day is I don't know, trying to be working for myself, being independent, and yeah, feeling under the weather. And oh my god, it's nobody's gonna. He's gonna murder my ass for doing this. Can they see him?
Sprenggranate geladen!
Oh. So yeah, I'm doing electronics and software, some plastic, like molding and routing, basically anything to make a concept product.
Need backup.
Are you? I would have gotten that one.
Sprenggranate geladen!
Oh my god, who hit me from where? Why can't I see you? Was it from Tank Executioner? Pisshead, huh? He was in very good declaimer first, huh? Where does he sit? Come on, show me. Oh, all the way there. He's like he was like here, huh? Somewhere around here. That's a great shot. That's like, yeah, that's a good shot. Yes, paper thick. So let's take Panta. I don't know how much. Maybe I should just play
Liga, 12 Uhr.
rank 5. I don't. When it starts, like you said, League 11, it starts to feel like, or noted that it starts to feel like a job.
Liga,
One
12
should either
Uhr.
quit or
Attention to the designated
start
grid
to do something else.
Wir wurden getroffen!
see, but we know where the other guy is at and sniping. He's like there. But can I see him? No, probably not. Let's rush across. No.
Panzer, 11 Uhr. Entfernung, 400 Meter.
We need to put more pressure on the enemy.
I shall. Oh my god, come on. Thank you.
Request tech assist.
Panzergranate geladen.
Ziel ausgeschaltet!
Flieger, 2 Uhr. Entfernung, 600
Ah, even a blind hand can find some corn sometimes. So we have that one.
1 Uhr. Entfernung, 300
What's
Meter.
that? That didn't see. Damn it.
Panzer, 12 Uhr.
that?
Entfernung,
I need to change the
400 Meter.
color.
We no longer have the advantage.
They're moving through the ES3. Oh, we are gonna lose, man.
Achtung! Sieger-Alarm!
Panzer, 1 Uhr. Da.
Ziel zerstört!
He knows that I am here. And he is like that light tank got scouted.
2 Uhr.
He's heading in my direction. Easy pickings. Yeah, he's most probably. Can I hear him? Yeah. He's definitely heading this way, but he doesn't have the deflection, huh?
Marsch, Marsch.
I'm definitely betting my digital life on it. Not even a ricochet through that. Oh my god. I thought I would have gotten his track. Come on, 1 million. No, 'cause look at that. I will also be happy with 90,000. With that order, AA. Oh my god, man. Useless waste of bits. Yeah. Let's see here. Russia. 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 French. What's that? Japanese? German. Okay. Oh, look at that. Executioner is on my side now. Yes. Follow him for hiding spots. Oh my god, he's fast as well. Yes. Also, coffee time. Coffee.
enemy has most of the strategic zones. We no longer have the advantage.
Yes.
Attention to the map!
A fresh can of coffee.
Allied forces have captured the
Wonder
zone.
juice. Okay.
Verstanden! Vorwärts Marsch!
So, I can see a burning wreck. That is a Raketen bastard. Can't say I'm sorry.
The enemy is winning. Attention to the designated grid zone. Allied forces have captured a zone. Attention to the designated grid zone.
Okay.
Attention to the designated grid zone.
It's like a
Luftunterstützung in Kürze!
Panzer, 10 Uhr. Entfernung 400 Meter. Panzer, 10 Uhr. Im Nahbereich.
Allied forces have captured a zone.
oh, look at that. I could have gotten that one. He was like stupid. Oh my, it was like me stupid.
Sprenggranate geladen.
Enemy forces have captured a zone.
They're gonna get pressured soon. Look at. Hey, baby. Don't rush, God damn it.
Kraftfahrer, rückwärts, Marsch.
Attention to the map.
Yes. Got this, this should be.
Vorwärts, Marsch.
Verstanden!
Sprenggranate geladen.
Gonna shoot fences with AG.
Luftunterstützung in Kürze!
The only thing fences.
Rückwärts, Marsch.
But I want to. Now you said it. I want to try to shoot an aircraft down with this one. And so this is the PF is a timer-based thingy. So I presume if I target aircraft, it will set the time. Something like that.
Panzer, 1 Uhr. Entfernung 400 Meter.
Ziel beschädigt!
Granate geladen.
I'll try to shoot it with the.
Panzer! 10 Uhr! Entfernung! 450 Meter!
Fehlschusskurs!
I was
Panzer!
too
12
hasty.
Uhr! Entfernung! 350 Meter! Panzer! 1 Uhr! Ja!
I can hear choppers.
Ein Granate geladen. Wir wurden getroffen.
Bastards! Get that.
1 Uhr. Entfernung 600 Meter. Panzer.
Like
12 Uhr. Im Nahbereich.
Luftunterstützung auf dem Weg!
I take a look.
Wir wurden getroffen!
Talk to my hand. Damn it. Oh, everything will trigger. That you meant. I can shoot through them to get the target behind. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Indeed, I understand. But one thing I really want to try to do is to fly well helicopter. But I seriously cannot do that because I haven't trained that much with them. But it's hard to hit the targets for me.
A little more effort, and victory will be ours.
Oh, okay. We'll trigger a proximity charge. Okay.
Auftrag erfüllt!
So I can miss by 5 meters. That's pretty close when it comes to an aircraft. God damn it, yeah. 69k, and I got. it's looking like 40 games, huh? Oh my dear lord! I need to have a good win, and I haven't got any boosts. No, just these stupid things. Let's see, crew. Okay. I am thinking either it's gonna be field repair or the. Okay. Minus. What the hell? Okay, it will come back. Yeah. Yeah, I made a couple of videos about Trump and Denmark and Faroe Islands and stuff like that, and Iceland and Greenland. The Danish kingdom, basically. And some of them got pretty good views compared to like 1500 and stuff like that. And plenty of angry Americans in the in the comment field. Oh my god, people are mad on the internet.
Aufsetzen! Los, los, los!
Gefechtsbereitschaft herstellen.
Kraftfahrer bereit! Lichtschütze bereit!
Ladestütze bereit.
Okay, I'm gonna use let's rush. Jesus, man. Listen, where can I? What was it? I can. There's some stones. Here. Jesus. That's a lot. 11 million. You win a lot then. Oh my god. I had one game today where I got 100,000 for a win. But that was with bonus.
Panzer, 2 Uhr. Entfernung 450 Meter.
I can shoot on top of a tank with this one, huh? Then I first need to.
Kurz, Höhe anrichten.
If I just can I fly? Oh, they got him. So now I just will wait for an aircraft, basically. Because this shell does not hurt tank at all. That I got tested. Why are you hiding? Go and fetch it. But oh.
Panzer, 10 Uhr. Nah.
Allied forces have captured a zone.
Yeah.
Granate geladen. Flakpanzer, 11 Uhr. Nah.
So he is probably just watching me, yeah?
Panzer, 2 Uhr. Im Nahbereich.
That guy, yeah.
Panzer, 2
Yeah.
Uhr. Nah.
Yeah. Step into a slide of fire to confirm your hypothesis. Now your theory. Ah, okay. Excellent. That's excellent. Yeah, one should one should profit where one can. Basically, I think. I'm a capitalist. There's not a socialist bone in my body.
Entfernung 700 Meter.
Basically,
1 Uhr.
one of the
450 Meter. Panzer, 1 Uhr. Entfernung 600 Meter.
one of the effects by living in Denmark. Oh my god. This is pure. No, God damn it, go away. Huh?
Most of the strategic zones are captured.
You know, yeah. Socialist Denmark. Karl Marx's plan. Karl would be very happy. Planned economy, nanny state. Nice.
Kette getauscht. Verstanden. Vorwärts.
Flieger, 11 Uhr. Entfernung
Let's
50 Meter.
let's go to certain death.
They're winning.
Flieger-Alarm.
$60. Oh, look at that.
Flieger, 12 Uhr. Entfernung
The question is, oh my god, what can I do here with my little tank?
Flieger, 12 Uhr.
A drive-by. Perhaps not. I got a chance if nobody scouts me. Yeah? If I run across here, Did that hurt a bit?
Panzergranate geladen!
Yes. Say hello to your mother. He's coming here. What a great explosion. So,
Panzergranate geladen!
here's another one.
10 Uhr im Nahbereich.
Let's see.
10 Uhr.
Vorsicht! Luftangriff!
Panzer. 11 Uhr. Nah.
Oh my god. Why am I so slow?
Wege in Kante!
Panzer. 11 Uhr. Im Nahbereich.
Feindliches Startfeuer in euer Sektor!
Huh?
Forces have captured the zone.
Ziel zerstört! Panzergranate geladen!
Panzer. 11 Uhr. Im Nahbereich.
Panzergranate geladen!
If we don't do something fast, the enemy will win.
Panzergranate geladen!
Ah, say hello to your mother.
Wieder ausgefallen!
Luftunterstützung auf dem Weg!
No, tell me about it.
Panzer. 11 Uhr. Im Nahbereich.
Getroffen!
Vorsicht! Luftangriff!
Enemy forces have captured a zone.
Ah, the panther, the little kitty cat who could. Okay, but that's good for. See the good of me, or they were playing like shit. I think it was the latter. But this is.
Captured, we have the advantage.
Come on. We need to hide.
Luftunterstützung im Anflug! Flieger hoch! Flieger hoch! Flieger hoch!
Another zone captured, we have the advantage.
No, goddamn. There's always a new crisis. Oh, come on. So close.
Flieger hoch!
Panzer. 9 Uhr. Im Nahbereich. Enemy forces have captured a zone.
Ziel getroffen!
Oh, yeah. Drive forwards, you utter cunt. My God. There's nobody here. Oh, they got him.
Flieger. 10 Uhr. Entfernung. 850 Meter.
Nine, come on, give me. No.
Luftunterstützung in Kürze!
Okay, in Russia. Oh my God. In China, in Russia, and that is also like SARS or what, or is it even more like deadly or more brutal? Jeez. Tell you what. But anyway, I've been to Moscow
Unterstützung auf dem Weg.
a long time ago. No, not a long time. Prior to the war, of course. It was in the middle of for the World Cup, or was it the World Cup? Yeah, I think it was.
Landpanzer, 1 Uhr. Entfernung 500 Meter.
Oh my God. Are we losing? Yes, we are losing. Oh, Jesus.
Luftunterstützung im Anflug.
That was... I had a good game, but now... Mama... They killed me.
Enemy forces have captured that zone. Enemy forces have captured the zone.
Feindliches Sperrfeuer in eurem Sektor.
Okay, that is I should be more lucky than a lucky person. Okay, bomb. God damn it.
Attack the C point.
Hell no. Yeah, doesn't matter really. That was a loss.
Enemy forces have captured a zone.
Okay, let's see what's what is this? What is this? Yeah, because I know what you said, AP, PCR, but that is, yeah, of course, it shatters very easily if it is inclined, huh? I have been trying to read up on the stuff, but I should have HB, HE, armor piercing. Oh, I still need one. Should they take? I'll just let's take that. Okay, let's look again. What tank was I? This HPCR, armor piercing, rigid cell, and high explosive. It must be. Oh, I need to look it up again. This is just armor. It was this one who had the best penetrating. The angles are 75. Oh, which one shall I take? Yeah, HPHE, yeah? Exactly. But HPCPC, HPCR, and just heat. That has just AG. Yeah. I don't know. I'll try that one. Look at that. I'm gonna get the camouflage soon. Yeah, HPHE. You said that the other day. I remember. But when this explosion effect, okay. Yeah, okay, I understand. Then it's HPHE. So you don't like sabots then? Okay, this Yeah, this one is the one prone to shattering. I think. I think this one we shall try. We shall try.
Jetzt wird's ernst, Leute! Feindverteilt!
Bereitschaft
Oh, I
herstellen.
took a.
Kraftfahrer bereit. Lichtschütze bereit. Ladeschütze bereit.
Oh, sorry, I'm a little bit cold. I'm a bit cold. So one day I need to read about the new virus. Probably gonna, get shadow banned if one talks about something like that on YouTube.
Attention to the map!
All that smoke
Panzer. 1 Uhr. Entfernung.
is
400
behind.
Meter.
Allied forces have captured a zone.
What is he trying to accomplish here? Right there.
Enemy forces have captured a zone.
Tiger.
On the
11
move.
Uhr. Entfernung. 550 Meter.
They are bloody. God damn it, man. Also there. Yeah.
Designated grid square.
Okay. I don't have anything there. Here I have damaging effect. Yeah, but I got no other choice here.
Attention to the map!
Yes, attention. Let's take this little beauty tank.
Panzer.
We are going.
11 Uhr.
Oh,
Entfernung. 750 Meter.
they killed the Muffin Man. I'm 60. If I can play realistic, yeah, I got. Of course. Yeah, I played that the other day. To more or less to a frustrating degree.
Entfernung. 10.000 Meter.
Attention to the map! Attention to the designated
Let's
grid
take
zone.
next game realistic. See how.
Granate geladen.
Attention to the map!
Panzer. 10 Uhr. Entfernung. 750 Meter.
See how suicidal I get.
Panzer. 10 Uhr. Entfernung. 750
Because
Meter.
this is the information is too readily available.
Designated grid zone. Attention to the
I'm going
designated
to
grid square.
try to support my Muffin Man here.
Tiger. 12 Uhr.
Missile.
900 Meter. Panzer.
And we got a PZ, huh?
Entfernung.
And just hit it in the ass. Behind. He's coming out.
Attention to the map!
Oh, he was ah,
Attention to the map!
just a little bit too late.
Panzergranate geladen.
So did they kill him?
10 Uhr. Entfernung.
No, he killed
1800 Meter.
Noodle Man. Oh my god.
10 Uhr. Entfernung.
No way.
Weiter links. Panzergranate Granate geladen.
Attention to the designated grid square.
Everybody can see me. Oh jeez.
500 Meter.
Alright,
Panzer.
I'm
10
gonna get
Uhr.
popped.
Entfernung 750 Meter.
Another zone captured. We have the advantage.
Panzer. 8 Uhr. Entfernung 500 Meter.
Vorsicht! Luftangriff!
Attention to the map.
There's some tension.
Attention to the map. Need cover.
Panzer.
There is the
1 Uhr.
M something.
Entfernung 600 Meter.
I cannot dash it. Can I? He's below this rim.
Panzer. 8 Uhr. Nah.
Luftunterstützung in Kürze!
Attention to the map.
He's maneuvering.
Panzer. 12 Uhr. Entfernung 400 Meter.
Oh yes. Finally. I was faster on the trigger than
Panzer.
him.
10 Uhr. Entfernung 300 Meter.
Let's keep the pressure on. Victory is close.
Yes, definitely. Don't show my sides. That's
Wir sind startklar!
off it, man. And
Vorsicht! Luftangriff!
Panzergranate geladen. Panzergranate geladen. Maschinengewehr geladen.
Luftunterstützung im Aufbau!
that sounded serious, huh? Ja.
Panzer. 11 Uhr. Entfernung 540 Meter. Panzergranate geladen.
Need to get a little bit up.
Panzergranate geladen.
And there.
Panzer. 8 Uhr.
Tortos.
Entfernung 650 Meter.
Oh, he's pointing. He was pointing straight at me. Jeez.
Panzergranate geladen.
Talk about being suicidal. Oh my god, that's also one of the words I cannot mention when playing a game on YouTube.
Vorsicht! Luftangriff!
Motivation? Yeah. My motivation, god damn it. Tell my motivation is good. I've been struggling all day not to bake myself a chocolate cake. Okay, one death. That's always good. Yeah, man. Let's. Oh, jeez. Okay, I need to have a sip of coffee. Just check if crew training 178 will give me some vision and agility, vitality, and artillery strike. Let's just take that one. How about this? Nada. Go. Oh. Jesus. Do not take the Lord's name in vain. Okay. Let's start. We are definitely still leveling. So they're all sixes, by the way. 6. But the tanks that are level. So, these 3. Take this one first.
Jetzt wird's ernst, Leute! Einverteilen!
Klar machen zum Gefecht. Kraftfahrer bereit. Richtschütze bereit.
They're always wrong.
Ladeschütze bereit.
Look at all this beautiful tanks with camouflage. Either very good killers or played a long time. Okay, I forgot. Do not rush. God damn it. Okay. So, what to do here? Sea scouting. That's M. This is the first time in a long time I played this map. Should I try to attack from the side here? Come on! I can't, my deflection! Oh my god. Yes. Jesus. Oh, now I understand. Jesus, this is extraordinarily slow. I can hear shit. Yeah, I can hear it. God damn it, where are you? Oh, there you are. Ah, God. Why are they going to that sniping position? Jesus Christ, man. Huh? They all 1, 2, 3 persons there. Okay. I'm gonna use one of those. Yeah, sneaky little bastards. I could hear them, you know. But I got isolated, but I never, you know, would expect that they were going to a sniping position. Instead of like trying to achieve the target. Maybe they just wanted to grind people down. Oh my god, don't rush, don't rush, don't rush, don't rush. B for binoculars. Oh, did I see something there? What did I see? That was definitely something strange with that tree.
If we don't do something fast,
Okay.
the enemy will win.
I'm exposed. He's behind the church. Oh dear Lord, dear Lord.
Enemy forces have captured the zone.
Okay. Oh. What then? What then?
Request air support.
Where's their support? Okay, let's be a little bit sneaky here, huh? If we can. So I can see that using camouflage here would be beneficial to have camouflage on your tank. God damn it, that's sneaky. I just thought it was for show. I can see now. Oh, this is if I stand still, I should be auto camouflage, shouldn't I? Or something like that.
Attack the A point.
Oh my god, I'm slow.
The enemy is winning.
Yeah, he got shot. But from where?
Attention to the designated grid zone.
Is he down there? I can see something here. Yeah.
Unterwegs! Wassergranate geladen.
Okay. Should I must maybe have high explosive? No. Hell. I don't like it.
Allied forces have captured the zone.
Panzergranate geladen.
Okay, where the hell are you at? Oh. Yeah. Okay, that's the first time I ever saw a nuke, by the way. After many years. First time ever I got a nuke dropped on me. That's beautiful. Look at that guy there. Yeah, it's like driving and chewing gum. I would be happy when I'm out of these. And 63,000 to go. So I can. What's the time? It's gonna be. So we got this. And this is also an APCR. And a rangefinder. Or speed. We will get there. As soon I can let this Panther go and take. It's gonna be a rank 5. I have. This is still a real battle. Huh? I didn't do anything. Yes, excellent. So, inclination, deflection.
Aufsitzen! Und Bereitschaft für Feindkontakt!
Oh, it's not.
Kraftfahrer bereit. Richtschütze
It is
bereit.
not
Richtschütze bereit.
impressively faster. I can. But you know, I have see, I have leveled the Germany. I have everything: blue water, aircraft, and the small boats. How to say? Yeah, the small boats. Oh my God! I forgot. I won't see. I can see him. He's there. He's there. Thought he saw something there. Yeah, and I got the Swedish. But I can level. Yeah, I should have leveled. Basically, I should have been American because of my playstyle. I think they are the best, rushing tanks, huh? Oh, yeah. Besides, okay, where are you at? Oh my God! Over.
Attention to the designated grid square.
Ziel beschädigt. Wir wurden getroffen.
Enemy forces have captured the zone.
Yeah. I forgot what kind of game I played. You know, feeling so secure you can see shit, but you cannot see shit when you're playing this game. So let's just take the Panther and then run it out. Look at it, slow. Yeah, same to you, man. Have a great night.
Allied forces have captured a zone.
Then I also just stop streaming. So yeah, I'm just gonna say it goes a little bit faster when I'm not streaming. And I'll see you later.